So in today's video, we will learn about the 6 grades of manual muscle testing, that is MMT. So in MMT, we have a total of 6 grades, that is from 0 to 5. So 0 is the lowest grade and 5 is the maximum grade. We will talk about the grade 0. So in grade 0, there will be no visible movement and also there will be no palpable contraction. That means the muscle is not contracting at all. Now moving on to the second grade, that is grade 1. So in grade 1, I will feel a palpable muscle contraction if I keep my hand on the muscle belly, right? But there will be no movement or motion which can be visible. Moving on to the next grade, that is the second grade, and it is also known as poor grade. In second grade of MMT, the patient will be able to do the movement but not against the gravity. He will be able to do the movement parallelly to the ground. That means the gravity elimination position. For example, if I am testing about wrist extensors, so this is against the gravity, but the patient will not be able to do this motion. So he will do the activity or the motion in the gravity elimination position, that is parallel to the ground. So if I ask the patient to do wrist extension in this position, he will able to do it. So I will be able to see a motion in the gravity elimination position. Now next comes the grade 3, which is also known as fair. So what happens in grade 3 is that the patient will be able to do the complete movement against the gravity. For example, if I am testing the wrist extensors muscles, so the patient will be able to do this wrist extension movement against the gravity. Now the next grade is the fourth grade of MMT. The patient will be able to do the movement against the gravity, which was the same in third grade, plus he will able to do it against some moderate resistance. So if the patient is performing the wrist extension movement, so he will be able to do it against moderate resistance. Now coming on to the last grade of MMT, which is also known as normal grade, that is grade 5. So in this, the person or the patient performs the movement against the gravity, same as in grade 3, but against the maximum resistance. So this is the grade 5. एंड इसके अलावा अगर आप प्लस और माइनस का कंसेप्ट भी समझना चाहते हो इन एमएमटी, तो मुझे कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना, और इसके लिए मेरा पूरा डिटेल में ये वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे है, तो जाके आप देख सकते हो, लिंक इसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा।